for self-defense, emergency situations, that's the good practice to cover yourself like this. In such a situation, having the knife onto here, it makes it be more convenient and much closer to your hands. At the same time, it doesn't bother at all. As you can see, I can do full movements. It doesn't bother with the head. Lets me to hold the boxing guard in an emergency situation, but also for utilitarian purposes. It's much more convenient and much easier to put the knife out of the sheath, like if you have it here rather than onto the belt. We'll use these two velcro straps, inserting one of them like this, inserting the other same way, and now this comes through here, and the other one through here. And that's it. I have it on the backpack strap. It doesn't bump, I can jump, I can run, it doesn't come off. Because I have also this smaller velcro strap here, it prevents the handle to get away from this, so it's not gonna fall anyway. If I'm just walking and not running, not jumping, not doing anything fancy, I can completely remove this safety one, and in this case it's not gonna fall if I'm just walking. If in an emergency situation, I just need to push this part of the sheath with my thumb, and once it gets away from the handle, it comes out pretty easily. Pull it back. With the Mora Companion, I need 3 velcro straps, 2 of these and 1 of these. I will place this first one through here and put the soft part of it behind this strap. And now I'm gonna come with the abrasive part of the velcro behind the strap so that it keeps tight. Okay, and like this. Now I'm taking the second one, put it behind through here, place it into, tighten it as much as you can, and then come behind the strap. This is already a tough attachment, but I will use the third one just as a secondary thing, and I can put it through here or I can put it through here. I generally prefer to do this behind the entire strap. Tighten it a little bit. You can leave this one a little bit loose. It's not it doesn't need to be tight, the third one. And now I can put the knife into, and that's it. In an emergency situation, if I need the knife quickly, I can just grab it with one hand, pull it out, and I'm ready to use it. When I put it back, I always look at the sheath so that I don't stab it into my neck. Put it here, insert it, click it in, and that's it. If you want extra safety, so for example if you run, climb or do any fancy stuff and you feel that your knife is about to fall down, just to be sure that it doesn't, you can use an extra safety one. Put this through this loop of the shaft and wrap it against the end of the handle. So if you do this, it's not gonna come no matter how much you move, no matter what movements you do. If you want to grab the knife, you just pull this out and then pull. Hultafors OK4. This is also a very popular bushcraft / survival knife. In order to attach it to here, you can see the way I have added these two velcro straps onto its shaft. So this one is just wrapped around the handle, and the reason I did this and finalized it like this is that I want to have this soft thing here so that this wraps onto it. The reason for this is to add some extra safety so that the knife doesn't come out of the shaft no matter what I do. So it's a sort of extra safety grip. The other velcro strap that I have onto vertical here, you can see it's just inserted through here. Place the end here and then put it like this, and that's it. So now you have a much safer attachment onto the shaft. At this time, what you need to do in order to have it on the backpack strap, just add this one through here. Put it as close to the extremity of the shaft as possible. Now have this smaller one. Okay, the knife into, and then the extra safety on. And that's it. In order to pull the knife out, you just pull this out, grab it, so it's one hand, one movement, pull it back in. In case of an emergency situation, you can leave this open. If you don't want it to catch onto your gear, just put this abrasive end like this, and it doesn't bother you anymore.